Hey guys, Jason Castle with Bass Boat Electronics. Wanted to give you a weekly update, kind of what's going on in the showroom and in the shop. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up. We are going to have a Garmin event. It's going to be an open house October 23rd. So it's going to be a Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You'll see us on social media. We'll give you all the details and you can RSVP for that. So we've got that coming up in 2 weeks essentially. Also, I want to take you out in the shop, kind of see some progress. But in our front showroom here, of course, we've got everything from Lowrance, Humminbird, and Garmin, all the accessories. We've got our live inventory on our website. So if it says we have one, we actually have it. So you can come down and pick it up. Our in-store inventory and our inventory on our website match. So it's a really cool, clean way to keep inventory tracking. It makes it really convenient for you, the customer. So now let's go out here in the shop and see some progress on one of our installs. So out here in the shop, we've got kind of some back stock, and this is where we do all the dirty work and install batteries, wiring harnesses that we make, pretty much all your electronics. On this Ranger currently, we've got a rigid deck light system going in. So we just actually drilled the holes and ran the wires for this one. This customer is going to have 6 deck lights, 4 on the front, 2 on the back with a dimmer switch for control. So we're about to finish this one up. We got another boat that's swapping out 3 12s. Anything, have any questions, reach out to us. We've got our phone number, 1-800-931-9926. Of course, our live inventory on our website. Pick up in store. We can ship to you all across the whole country. So just let us know if we can service any of your electronic needs. And we really appreciate your business, and we're here to serve you guys. So, Chad, what else you got to say?
Thank you, everybody, for your BB orders.
See? Look at him. Come on, this is live and raw. Hiya!
I'll take care of my people.
All right, we'll take care of you. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.